Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can go ahead and fix Roblox low memory problem. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now the first thing that you want to go ahead and do before playing Roblox is making sure all of the background apps are closed. So you can just go ahead and make sure that there are no opened recent application. Right after, you want to head over to your system settings. You want to navigate through your app management, and by the way, if you are using an Apple device, you can just go ahead and offload Roblox. Now inside the app management, click on app list, and from here you want to locate Roblox. Now inside Roblox, click on storage and cache, and from here you both want to clear the storage and the cache for this application, and in that way the problem will be fixed. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.